Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and it's time to do some Christmas organization. I've got all these boxes I've had for years and years that have all my Christmas ornaments in. And I've needed to have a better system and a cleaner system for organizing all my beautiful ornaments and wreaths and everything Christmas so I can find it readily in my storage and have a really safe way to protect all my breakable Christmas ornaments from getting broken from season to season. I needed some really great containers, so I searched and found Improvements and contacted them so they'd sponsor this video. This is how I've stored my ornaments forever. For decades and decades, I've just put my favorite treasures in bags, or even worse, put all these special delicate items in a box because it was such a pain to figure out how to individually wrap all this stuff. I would use old newspaper wrapping and old Christmas tablecloths and anything. What a mess. And even the old boxes the ornaments came in. You may say, Rebecca, why are you keeping that ornament? And I'll tell you, because when I was 5 years old, this was on my Christmas tree. That's how special these ornaments are to me. Maybe some framed photographs of your children with Santa. I bet you have your special ornaments too that are lifetime treasures. Improvements has all these things for organizing Christmas stuff. They sent me a huge wreath organizer, or I could put about 4 wreaths in. It's double-sided. And they sent me this huge duffel-like bag to put all my garland in. I have tons of garland I put inside my house and outside my house. And my garland gets laid in straight. And they sent me an amazing 3-tier ornament organizer, and that's great for all my glass and breakable ornaments. Each of the shelves are removable, so you can bring them out and put your ornaments in it and then stack them in that box when you're finished. And you might have a funny cat ornament, that's delicate. Or your teenager with their first beer. They're each gonna get their own compartment. And the ones that aren't so breakable, I can put 2 in. All my special ornaments are going to be protected till next year. Besides these items for organization I've shown you here today, they have a whole assortment, so you can find exactly what you need for your Christmas storage. It's super high quality. All the straps in there are very strong, so nothing's going to get loose. The zippers are the best. They don't snag, they don't break, and they don't rip apart. I love the green color, because then when I look through storage, I know green means Christmas. So click the link below and get Improvements Christmas organization supplies. I'm Rebecca Brand, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep finding out great recipes, like in this case, for Christmas organization that's gonna go fast, so we can get to the good things, like a fire and some hot chocolate.